Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to count the text and count the number in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see the data. Here number and text are available and I want to count the only text here. Just type is equal to countif and select the range where you want to count, comma, and criteria is in double quote. Type the criteria is equal to asterisk and close the quotation and close the bracket and press enter. It will count only text. You can see here the text are 6. Now I want to count the number. For counting a number, type is equal to countif and select the range, comma, in double quote, type not equal to asterisk and close the bracket and press enter. It only count the number. You can see here the number is 2. If I type here 804, it will count the number is 3 and text is 5. That's way you can count text and number in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.